Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I'm going to do a walk around video of the Pilot. I just cleaned it all up. My wife really likes it. However, she's wanting something different now as well. So this car has been really good. If you follow me for some time, you know we've had a lot of Pilots. This is the 4th Honda Pilot we've owned. Really great cars. Can't say enough about them. They really haven't changed them a whole lot recently. Same type of body style. I know they're due for a redesign. But with the part shortages and all that, there's no definitive answer of when that's going to happen and how much they're actually going to change it. But this has served us really well. We like the 3 rows. We utilize the 3 rows. But my wife wanted to try something different, so she will be getting a new car. This is the last video I'm going to do of this car. Just want to do a quick walkthrough. Like I said, it looks really nice. Hasn't had any issues at all. Except the curved wheels, as you guys know. But seriously, other than that, it's been a really good car. You know, the gas mileage is what you expect. Goes to the snow. The all-wheel drive system works great up there. Really comfortable on long trips. We've taken on long trips before. 10 hours plus. It's done really well. But my wife just wants to try something different. You know, having Pilots for so many years, you know, you do want to see what else is out there. So she's been throwing the idea around a lot of different cars. Definitely SUVs, of course, because we need something big for the family. So I'm excited. Definitely stay tuned to see what that new car will be. I'll be launching that video next week. I'm excited about it. Like I said, it's something different. Just like anything. It's like, I still like the Honda products. I really do. They're great. I'm a loyal fan. I know always will be. But my wife wanted to try something a little different. But this is just a quick run through of what it looks like. Actually, it looks brand new. Like, I try to detail the car on a regular basis. Clean it. If something spills, I keep it clean. So the leather looks perfect in it still. Really nice. Did a good job with these, like I said, but I think they are due for a redesign. It kind of needs it. You know, it is looking a little bit on the dated side as far as the amenities and stuff go compared to all the others. So I just wanted to bring this with for you guys. Like I said, I'm excited for something different for her. See what you guys think. Like I said, don't miss the video coming out next week. I'll do the reveal on that. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good. I'll catch you on the next one.